Hello everyone, my name is Asta and today I'm going to share my graduation experience. I will also share some tips and advice. So last summer I've graduated from my undergrad international tourism and hospitality degree, and this year I'm going to graduate from my master's degree in public relations. So, University of Sunderland holds two graduation dates. So, one is in a summertime and one is in a winter time. It's really important for you to find out what actual date is your graduation going to be. And I will show you where you can find it. You had to receive the email in regards to your graduation if your ceremony is held in summertime. In this letter, you can find the link, so just by clicking it, a new tab will open and you will be able to see a website with all graduation information. At the bottom, there are more links and one of them shows what date each faculty is graduating. Let's go back, and again at the bottom you can find another link. Here you are able to book actual graduation tickets. Graduates attend the ceremony for free and can bring up to 2 guests free of charge. More tickets are available to purchase should you wish to bring your whole family, and executive boxes can be hired for those wishing to bring a group between 5 and 10 guests. The second most important aspect that you need to know about graduation is your gown. So you will be able to book it online and I will quickly show you how to do it. Let's click the same link that you have already received in your email. Here you can find another link where you will be able to book your gown, which you will get at the Stadium of Light at your ceremony date. Be careful when choosing the size and be especially precise with your hat measurement. Also guys, remember that you will have a deadline for booking a gown, so don't forget it, because otherwise you might be graduating without your gown. If you're graduating in summer and your family or other guests are coming to Sunderland and staying overnight, I would highly recommend you to start looking into accommodations right now. The rooms sell out really fast and after a while it becomes really pricey. And if you're planning to have a meal after your graduation somewhere in the city center, I would also highly recommend you to book the table prior the date, like at least 3 or 2 days before, as there will be loads of people and you will struggle to find that good table. So now, after we discussed all the logistics of graduation, I will quickly show my own graduation. So here's the clip. So I've really enjoyed my graduation experience. It was basically the last time I saw my lecturers, and just chit-chatting among everyone was amazing. Of course, the food was also great. We were starving after graduation. And here comes my another tip. Guys, have a really good breakfast before graduation, especially if your graduation is in the morning, like 9 a.m. or 10 a.m., because you will be starving, girls. And here's advice to you: don't wear any bad shoes, like any uncomfortable shoes with really high heels, because you will be probably standing a lot on your feet, so it's just better not to wear them. Another advice who are graduating, bring some safety pins, because the gown is moving quite a lot, so it's just better to have something that could hold it on. However, don't worry about the hat, because I don't know, I didn't experience any problems with that, and I didn't see anyone struggling with that either. So just think about the gown itself. And lastly, just think about the weather, because it's UK. You never really know if it's going to rain or it's going to be a crazy winds. Like, just prepare for anything basically. Um, However, like when you're arriving to your graduation ceremony, leave all your items with your guests or parents and just take your phone, because you will find it difficult to leave your stuff anywhere, and it will be more comfortable for you. And overall, guys, just enjoy your experience. You really deserve it. And just good luck with your further career. Bye.